This is my demo for assignment 2. The app that I'm building today is a digital wardrobe app for Gen Z users. It targets user input images and uploads them into a digital wardrobe. How this works is it features a single item extraction, so it'll extract only one item at a time. So a t-shirt, a jacket, a pair of pants, shoes, things like that. An outfit will not work and will be rejected because it is considered multiple items. There is a learning loop where the system will incorporate user preferences. When a user makes edits to a specific field in the validation form, the system will remember that, and once the occurrence of the same type of change, say the user changes upper body to outer wear for a certain type of item, then the user or the system will remember that and integrate it into its system prompt in the future. And in my evaluation harness, I have 3 separate flags. The file flag is to test a single file at a time. A category flag is to test the categories of my testing data. My testing data is labeled or named as different categories: negative, noisy, positive, and bad. The argument in the following the category will be the category that is matching to run the testing data. And then limit flag will just limit the number of files that the harness will run at a time. So if it's limit 10, then the harness will stop after 10 files have been tested. The output following each file testing will be true positive, true negatives, the false positive, and semantic errors, meaning the original AI output versus what the ground truth is, which is stored in this metadata.json file. It contains a boolean for if it is an expected clothing item, and then a category for what is expected to be. And now I will be running the program. As you can see, this is my front-end UI. Here there is an upload box for the user to select and upload items, and then there is a validation form. Here is a wardrobe, which is the collection of items that users already have uploaded. I have done some testing before, so there are a couple items right now. And when you click on each item, it'll show the validation form or its metadata that was previously verified by the user. Let's say I want to change one of these. Say I'll change this, and instead of top, I'll change it to upper body. Okay, now let's try uploading a new item. I'll be uploading this buffer jacket right here. And here you can see it has all these categories. And instead of upper body, let's change this to outer wear. And change the subcategory to puffer jacket. Material, let's just say puff. Vibe says puffy, or let's call it winter. And let's submit that. Now it's verified. Let's check our wardrobe. And as you can see, the new item has been uploaded. It's outerwear, puffer jacket, and then puff and winter. At the top of the wardrobe, there is also a small summary dashboard where it tells you what the most frequent vibe is from each clothing. Each clothing has a vibe attribute at the bottom right here. And then the top category, which is the type of clothing. So here you can see it is footwear. Here you can see it's lower body. And then these are like upper bodies and things like that. Signature color is brown. It's most likely because most of these items are brown right now. And then it shows the collection size. Let's try running a second upload of the similar type of clothing to see if the learning is helping. And as you can see, when you upload a second item, here is another puffer jacket, the system remembers, and now it'll automatically use the preference, so outerwear, puffer jacket, and then the vibe and material is also the same. Let's submit that. And there you go. There's how the learning works.